Hi guys, Alex here again from AG Automotive. Just wanted to do a quick review on a cheap little drone that I picked up the other day, and here we go. So this is it here. It's the Light Up Quadcopter. This is $20 from Kmart, and it actually looks pretty fancy. It lights up, and if you can see, when I push the button down, the test try me button, you can see there it lights up, which is pretty cool. So functions it's got: up, down, left, right, forwards, backwards, 360. It's got 3 speeds: low, medium and high. So let's have a look at this thing. There's the remote there. So let's get into it. I've actually had this unboxed already, but I just want to do an unboxing so you can see what comes in it. Alright, so we've got the remote control, which we'll go through that in a minute. We have got a bag of goodies, which has the USB cable and a couple of extra props for you, which is pretty cool. And here we have the instruction manual. We'll go through that shortly as well. And here is the drone itself. So if you see, if I push that, it lights up. That's pretty cool, I reckon. So we'll just have a quick look at the drone for starters. It's got 4 props there, 2 white, 2 red. And the prop guards here, which are pretty cool. Alright, let's go to the bottom. Now we've got the legs. If I go this way, you've got the legs that it stands on. You've got this rechargeable battery in here. You've also got, that's the charging port there, and you've got on and off just here. So that's pretty basic for the drone. What we'll do is just have a quick look at the instruction manual as well. This tells you all about the remote there. So you pretty much got your throttle up and down, you've got your sideways maneuverability, you've also got your trimming buttons here. If it's trimming too much forward, you can adjust it back or forward or left or right, whichever. These ones here don't really do anything. This one's for headless mode in the middle. But yeah, the instructions are pretty laid out. You've got on the back here, there's 4 AA batteries it takes in there that are not included. So yeah, that's the unboxing of it, and stay tuned for a test flight. Righto, thanks guys. See you soon.